Can cats eat turkey bacon? No, cats should not eat turkey bacon. While turkey itself is safe for felines, turkey bacon is packed with high levels of sodium, fat, and artificial preservatives like nitrates. Eating salty meats can lead to sodium ion poisoning, severe dehydration, and long-term kidney issues in pets. The extra fat can also cause painful stomach upset or pancreatitis. Additionally, many brands contain garlic or onion powder, which are extremely toxic to felines and destroy their red blood cells. If you want to know if processed turkey is safe for cats, the answer remains no. Offering cured meats as a treat carries too many health risks. If your pet accidentally consumes a large piece or shows signs of illness, speak to a qualified veterinarian immediately. Instead of processed breakfast meats, offer your pet plain, unseasoned cooked turkey breast as a healthy protein snack.